When it comes to kitchen appliances, few tools are as versatile and essential as a high-quality blender. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing soups, a good blender can transform your cooking routine. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 best blenders in 2025, featuring professional-grade machines that bring both power and precision to your kitchen. Before we begin, remember, all the links to these blenders are available in the description below. Using those links will take you directly to the latest deals and discounts on Amazon, so make sure to check them out before prices change. Now let's get started. First up, the Vitamix Explorian with programs. This is not just a blender, it's a professional-grade powerhouse designed for anyone serious about blending performance. The Explorian comes with 3 blending programs that handle everything from smoothies and soups to frozen desserts with absolute ease. The 64-ounce container is perfect for large batches, and the stainless steel blades are engineered to deliver consistent results every single time. One of its standout features is the self-cleaning function. Simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and your blender cleans itself in under a minute. This model also comes in a sleek slate finish, giving it a premium look that fits any modern kitchen. Whether you're blending fruits, crushing nuts, or creating a creamy smoothie bowl, the Explorian with programs guarantees silky smooth textures with every use. Next on our list, the Vitamix 5200 blender. A true legend in the blending world, the 5200 has been a top choice among professionals and home chefs for years. It's built with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades that handle even the toughest ingredients. From frozen berries to thick nut butter, the Vitamix 5200 doesn't flinch. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust the texture of your blends with precision, whether you want a coarse chop or a perfectly smooth puree. The 64-ounce container is ideal for family-sized servings, and just like other Vitamix models, it's self-cleaning in under a minute. If you're looking for a long-lasting, dependable blender that delivers consistent performance every single time, the 5200 is still one of the best investments you can make in 2025. Third, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Now, if you're looking for value, versatility, and raw power all in one, this model is for you. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System comes with a 1,500-watt motor that powers through smoothies, ice crushing, dough making, and purees effortlessly. It includes a 72-ounce full-size blender jar, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and 2 16-ounce to-go cups. Perfect for taking your smoothies on the road. With total crushing technology, this blender pulverizes ice into snow in seconds and blends even the toughest ingredients for perfectly smooth results. Whether you're preparing frozen drinks for a party or kneading dough for pizza night, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System offers incredible flexibility at a price that's hard to beat. Moving on, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender. This is the evolution of professional blending. The Propel 750 comes equipped with 4 automatic blending programs, including options for smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, and purees, all at the touch of a button. It's powered by a high-performance motor and stainless steel blades that ensure every blend is consistent and smooth, even with tough ingredients. The self-cleaning program makes maintenance effortless, while the low-profile 64-ounce container fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. This model combines power with precision and adds a touch of sophistication with its sleek black design. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who takes blending seriously and wants the very best in modern kitchen performance. Finally, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This model strikes a perfect balance between advanced functionality and affordability. With 1,400 peak watts of power, it's built to handle anything, from smoothies and frozen drinks to thick ice cream blends. It features Auto IQ technology, meaning it takes the guesswork out of blending with pre-programmed settings that automatically adjust timing and speed. The large 72-ounce total crushing pitcher ensures you can make big batches for the entire family, while the durable design guarantees long-term reliability. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, making milkshakes, or crushing ice, the Ninja BN701 delivers smooth, consistent results every time. Now, let's talk about what makes these blenders stand out from the rest. Each one of these machines is built with professional-grade performance, long-lasting durability, and smart features designed to make your kitchen experience effortless. The Vitamix models, known for their unmatched power and self-cleaning design, are perfect for those who want restaurant-quality blending at home. The Ninja models, on the other hand, offer exceptional value and versatility, giving you all the tools you need for smoothies, frozen desserts, or even dough preparation. If you're in the market for a powerful blender that can elevate your meal prep routine, any one of these options will serve you well. Whether you're a health-conscious smoothie lover, a busy parent, or an aspiring chef, investing in a high-quality blender will save you time and deliver better results in the kitchen every day. To make things easy, we've added links to all the blenders featured in this video down below. Clicking through those links will take you to the latest Amazon deals, so you can get the best prices available right now. So, which of these blenders would you choose for your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best home appliances and kitchen tools in 2025. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best blenders in 2025, where performance, power, and precision meet to make your blending experience better than ever.